Other thing is we put it on there. Hi guys, welcome back. I think today we're gonna attach the hinges to the pillar and the door, and we're just gonna mess with the fitment. Hopefully it won't be too far off. If we get far enough, I like to try to put the fender on and maybe the outer rocker. I'm not sure if we'll get that far today or not. I don't got much time out here, getting out here before work, so got to make it kind of quick. But at least we'll get the. I'm looking at two more holes. Oh, okay, I know what they are. At least get the door hinges on and the fender or the pillar hinges on, and have the door where it can swing open and shut. And then we'll work off from that. But if we get that far today, I may go ahead and put the hinges on the passenger side pillar. Not sure about the door just yet, because I still haven't got the hood or the old door from out in the barn. I don't know if you can hear, it's raining outside, so kind of missed my chance until it dries up a little bit. But we'll at least get the part of the hinges on the pillars, have the hinges on the pillar and the door on the driver's side, and we're going to spend a lot of time messing with the fitment. May have to get washers for the body mount shims if our gap needs to be opened up a little bit at the top. I don't have those. I'm gonna, I forgot whose comment it was, how they said they just put slots in it so they can push it in there and take it out without having to take the bolt completely out, and I thought that was a pretty good idea. But we'll do that when it comes to it. Hopefully it won't have to, but you never know. Anyways, enough talking. Let's get you set up and we'll get these hinges on and show you what it looks like first try. All right, finally got the hinges on there. Took me a little while, but had to grind some of the door down. Still need to do a little bit more down here. I want to scratch up the hinge, and right here just need a little bit taken off. The other thing is we put it on there. It is pretty far off. I thought before, the whole pillar needs to move up. There, come forward. So that means either I gotta cut into this, let it slip back, or cut into this back here, have it come forward. Not sure. Do need to secure it better at the bottom though. It's awful wobbly. You can tell. But I sure do like those hinges. Let me know y'all's thoughts. I'm not sure how much further I can go back, because these bolts right here for the bracket here, I just think these things are just junk. I'm debating on just buying a whole new set. I don't know what I should do. Well, at least we got the hinges on today. Now you're going to try to fit the outer rocker, because I know it won't fit, obviously. Don't know exactly how to move this. I mean, 'cause if I move it forward, the fender's going to shoot forward more. Am I right? If this part moves this way, looks to be like, I say that's quite a distance there. Let me take the door off and I'll latch it on the back and see what it looks like again, because it can't be that far off unless I got my hinges wrong or something. But I did notice that this top hinge is kind of tilted a little bit. You can see the gap there, doesn't look good right here. And this one's real wide at the top. I don't know if you can see. Any suggestions on that, let me know. I think the holes may have been drilled in slightly the wrong spot. Let me put you back over there and we'll take the door off the hinges and try to latch it and see how far over it hangs this way. I know it's gonna hit the hinges, but let's try it right quick. As you can tell, that didn't even work. Now I can't get it back on the hinges. Stuck. Let me know what y'all do about moving this. Like I said, I think this has to be moved. I'm gonna take this pillar off right quick, latch it in the back, then put the pillar up here and kind of see where it needs to be, and then we'll talk about it for a minute. That's what all that looks like. Do you think the door gap here looks pretty good? It's uniform. Door needs to be shifted around a little bit, but does that look normal? Does the kick panel need to move up some? Or this tab, I can cut it and bend it back a little bit. Then I'll let the pillar come back some. Might have to do that instead of cutting into this or the pillar, because it looks like that may be about how long it needs to come back. Anyways, I think I'm going to leave it right there for today. Think about it a little bit, see what y'all say, get your thoughts. I don't know if you can tell. Is that supposed to look like that? Hinges at an angle in there. You can tell this one too. So I need to make those holes a little bit bigger so I can get it just perfect. Would y'all do that? Let me know in the comments, please. And let me know if I'm going about this the right way. Especially with this area here. I need to cut this and bend this back a little further. This will have to be hammered back, that tab in there. But then I don't know if my bolts are going to line up just right. Another thing. And I really can't take the kick panel back this way because this bolts up to the dash right there. That's about perfect. So I don't know what to do. Let me know y'all's suggestion in the comments. Said I messed with this for longer than I thought I would. Thought I'd be further along than this, but I gotta get to work. Yeah, we'll get it eventually. Hopefully. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Like I said, it took me forever to get those hinges on and actually the door to fit over them. But we'll come back to it. I'll think about it a little bit, get y'all suggestions on what I should do. I do like the hinges though. I think my door might be not drilled right, and that my kick panel may be the tab may be too far forward. Like I'm pretty sure somebody mentioned that before. So maybe address that. Try to get the kick or the pillar back a little bit further without messing up where the kick panel ties into the dash. But anyways, a lot to think about. We'll jump back on it next time, hopefully with some ideas. Yeah, if you think of anything that I messed up or not doing right, please let me know. If you have any more suggestions, please let me know. I'm not sure if the pillar is messed up or the kick panel now. Let me know if y'all buy a new one, give it another shot. Yeah, just thank y'all for y'all's help so far. It does mean a lot. I'm further than I thought I'd be on it, but so a little bit more to do. If you like this kind of stuff, please stick around. We'll be back on the Bronco and then maybe on the International a little bit. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.